Hey guys, this video shows you how to get this special weapon, Nocturnal 10mm pistol. This pistol is great for those characters more oriented towards doing things at night as it gives them a fairly large damage to bonus at night. So first you're going to go to Trinity Plaza in the Back Bay area of Boston. As you enter Trinity Plaza, there will be a few super mutants at the far end of the church. The special mutant you have to kill is the legendary super mutant Skirmisher. He's incredibly strong, and after a few failed attempts to kill him, I finally just grabbed my Fat Man and hit him with a nuke, which one-shot him. Once you kill him, just finish off any other mutants in the area, grab the pistol.